Hi, welcome to our Learning Bite, and today we are going to be going over Greg Tang's website. If you take a look up in the top right hand corner here, you can see that he has over 14 million views so far. And last year we remembered that he had only about 100,000. So this website is growing quickly for sure in the world of technology. And today I'm going to show you, I'm going to start off with his games. So let's go ahead and click on into his games. He has 9 games that you can play with your students. I'm just going to review a couple of them. You can take a look at them at a later date. Break Apart is a game that focuses on facts and fact fluency. We'll take a look at multiplication today, and we'll look at the fours. So the strategy for the fours break apart multiplication is double double. So you're taking 2 times 8, which is double 8, which is going to be 16. Double the 8 again, which is 16. And then you add 16 plus 16 and you get 32. And then for this one you're going to double that too. So 2 doubled is 4, doubled again is 4, and then you add the doubles together, which equals 8. And we'll do one more. We'll double the 7, so 7 doubled is 14, doubled again is 14, and you add them together and you get 28. When you're ready for a new game, you just click New Game, and it will start it over for you. So that's one of his games. We'll take a look at another one, which is called Funny Numbers. Great for the primary. We'll look at base 10 addition. So when you play funny numbers, you add the ones place first. 9 plus 2 is 11, but you actually write 11 on the bottom. And then 6 plus 1 is 7. And then, instead of saying 7 plus 11, you would say 70 plus 11 is 81. So this one here is 6 plus 5 equals 11. 6 plus 1 is 7. And then you would say 70 plus 11 is 81. And we'll do one more. As you can see, we're not regrouping up at the top here. We're just writing the answer down here. So 7 plus 6 is 13. 6 plus 2 is 8. And then you would say 80 plus 13 is 93. And that's funny numbers. Now we'll head on to Kakuma, which is up here. Kakuma has 2 versions currently right now. The first version is Legacy, which is what he had out last year. And on the Legacy version of Kakuma, you could do addition, subtraction, multiplication, or fractions. To play Kakuma, you come over here. We'll just start with 4 easy for now. And in order to play this game, you're going to find the sum of 2 numbers, and that's going to be the answer you click on. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 7 plus 3 is 10. And 3 plus 2 is 5. And then for this part, you will also find the sum of the numbers as well. They're just a little bit larger sometimes. So this one will be 6 plus 4 equals 10. And then it will give you a final score. So that's Kakuma, and then this is the new version, the second version, which you can play here. This one plays the world, so it's the exact same game. But it's just a little bit different. So 17 plus 1 is 18. It's in a different format. You get 1 square at a time, and you can play the world or your class as well. So that's an example of Kakuma. And it looks like somebody else is playing against me right now. We're going to go ahead and move on to his books. So you click on the tab up here. And in here, these are all of the books that he has written, that he had out, and he's actually put them online for us to be interactive. Let's take a look at Grapes of Math, for example. So these right here, this is the table of contents for all of the pages in his book. And it's a little bit more interactive here online, and the kids can actually go online and do this. He has a little poem to kind of help you come up with how to come up with the number and how to look at it. He has hints if the students are having difficulty to help them to see it. And he's saying here count by fours, and then they can type in the answer down here, 16, hit submit, and then they'll tell you way to go, and they will also give you some math behind it. So all of his books, are available right here in his book section. And then last but not least, we have materials. All of his materials are on his website free of charge. And right here you have worksheets. For his worksheets, you can look at addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and then deeper levels of addition, subtraction as well. He also has laminates that you can download for free as well. And these are the topics he has for that. Positive and negative numbers as well. So quite a few negatives, even fractions as well. And then these connect to his games. So check those out. And then he also even has his puzzles and games at a worksheet level that you can just download, and all you have to do is click on the download button. So those are all of the materials that he has available to you as well. And if you click back to the home page, his conferences are listed here, so you can always see where he'll be at and whether or not you might be able to see him. Hope you enjoyed this Learning Bite.